Hello, everybody. I know I'm not in the normal area that I'm usually in. Today I'm doing something fun. So, as you all know, I blacksmith. I've not done anything while blacksmithing billets. Well, today I am making a billet. I have no idea if you can see me. You probably can't. But you really don't need to see my face to see my welding. And I've already cleaned all the metal and done the whole shebang. Now it's just on to the fun part. They ain't exactly pretty, they work though. Oh, take these off. Table. Boom. Hey, there's still some water in that. Oh. Gosh dang it. There we go. The reason the other ones I didn't go back and forth on like I did, gosh dang it, stay upright. The only reason I didn't go back and forth like I did here is because these were just tack welds to hold it together. So we're gonna sit you right there. Oh, hold on, I think we have magnets for this. Yeah. We have some. These will help a lot. If they fit, you know. Beautiful. Start that back up. Some stuff in there. Sure that's good. And we're away again. String cut out there. Getting toasty. Pot's getting a little, hand's getting a little hot. As you can see, my glove is misshapen. That is not where my finger is. My finger don't look like that. Wait. I might have to stop and record a new video because I think my gloves have a hole in them. Oh yeah, they totally do. Yep. Yep, there's a hole in them. Cool. Let's grab another pair. Where did I put that other glove? Oh, there it is. Never mind, I found it. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. What do y'all think of my helmet? It's from Yes Welder, which is also the welder I use is also Yes Welder. Just gonna use the pair of gloves, kind of just get all that off there. Alright. Let's get back to it, shall we? Put this back on. Put this back over here. As you can see, I have welded this piece together, but it is in a weird formation. For doing it sideways is faster. Oh, fill in those holes. My helmet's coming off. I know I might get a couple videos saying, well, those welds look like boogers. Well, I've not exactly got the amps right, so they're gonna. Then again, they might not, because you give it a little nudge and something like that, and it looks pretty dang good if I do say so myself. But then again, I'm biased. They're my welds, so. Right now it's set at about 115. These are actually supposed to be thinner, but it's two pieces welded together. And I'm not using gas, I'm using flux core. Can't remember what kind, but flux core is flux core. Woo, this glove gets a lot hotter faster. Also, if you didn't watch my last video, House on Facebook, look her up. She is my mother, but her products are amazing. I am a teenager and have almost zero acne on my face because of her salves, tallows, and her soaps. All of it is great. One of my cousins has, what's it called? Is it acne? One of my cousins has eczema. Gone. She does it like once a night. I'm pretty sure we've had people where it helps with cracked feet, all kinds of stuff. It's great on the hands. Because, This is a burn from a very hot piece of steel, and that should be a lot more paint, but all I do is put her salve on it. So there's that little segment of the video. She also has great jams and jellies. Oh, I wish I could make that joke, but I am a PG channel. Over there. Ah, toasty. Quit melting all the water before this goes. Whew, that got a little hot. That right there, both gloves. Finish up this side. Also, the motorcycle. Hopefully sometime next week I will have an update video where we are installing a very important part of a motorcycle. But y'all will find out next week. Mainly because I gotta go get it. Boy, does it get toasty in these gloves. Wow. Oh, moving too fast. Set that there. Wait for that to cool, and I will show you the welds, and then I'll think I'll end it here. So, take this, shut that off. Boop, bop. Boop, bop, beep, bop, boop. Cool. Open this up. Some water. I shall return. Until we meet again. Hi. You went for a tumble. I'm not recording all this again, so we're just gonna set you right here. Grab this. Just kind of this, knock off all the gunk. A couple openings from where I started moving too fast, but nothing you can't fix. Pop. All that. So they're not ugly welds, but they're also not pretty welds. I'm gonna hold welds, so. But then again, those are all you need. Still water in it. The hand of God. Ah. Well, I'm gonna call it there. Wow, I really do just walk around in circles when I do things. But there's the metal. Decent welds. Not pretty, not ugly. Not terrible. I'm probably going to weld this side off camera. So here in a couple days or so, we're going to forge this. But the center has about three air gaps that I'm going to have to forge weld. And that's why I left a couple holes.